Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce the RTC function of the ESP32 board A6. C board, you can write any code for any functions by yourself. It supports Raspberry Pi and Arduino or Node-RED. And also you can write code in Home Assistant. In this lesson, we will introduce the RTC function. The DS1307 real-time clock can realize the following functions: 1, 2, 3, 4. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to read the real-time clock by Arduino, and we will write how to open the relay of A6 through the timing function. Okay, let's begin. Write code. First, we need to create a sketch in Arduino. Step 1, we need to include the wire library and the RTC library like this. And the RTC library. Next, we need to define the RTC object. Now we begin to write the setup code. First, we initialize the serial communication baud rate to 9600. This is initialized. And next, we print the current file path. This means print the current file path. Next, we will start the I2C communication. We need to set the SDA pin and the SCL pin. We use wire pin. We can see the SCL and SDA is GPIO 4 and GPIO 15. So here we write 4 and 15. Start I2C. SDA is GPIO 4 and SCL is GPIO 15. Next, we will write the RTC code. If unable to initialize RTC, we will print couldn't find the RTC. We can write the code like this. This means if unable to initialize the RTC, it will always print couldn't find RTC. Next, if the RTC is not running, when the board is new, we didn't download any code, the RTC will not running. So we will print the RTC not running. It's not running. At this time, we need to adjust the RTC. Next, we will write the loop function. In this function, first we need to define a null object to get the current time from the RTC. Next, we can print the year, month, day, hour, and minute and second. So we can write the code like this. The time is. First, we print the year. This means print the year. Next, we will print the month, day, hour, minute, and second. We will add this. Next, we will print the month and date. Next, print the month and day and hour and minute and second. We need to create a function to print the month, day, hour, minute, and second. Because if the digit is less than 10, we need to add a 0. So we will use a function. Here we use a print digits function. So we need to write the print digits function. We can write like this. Int digits. In this function, if the data is less than 10, we will add a 0. If less than 10, we will add a 0. It means if the digits is less than 10, we will print leading 0. And if the digit is more than 10, we just print it. So we can write the code day, hour, minute, and second like the months. Day, hour, minute, and second. And it will print the time in 1 second. So we delay 1 second. Okay, the code is finished. We can download it and text the function. Now we download it. Okay, we download finished. Now we can open the serial monitor and we can see the real time. Next, we are going to initialize use the time function to turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1. First, we need to include the PCF8574 library because the relay we connect to this chip. Next, we need to create an instance. And the address is 24. The SDA we connect to GPIO 4 and SCL connect to 15. So we set the 4 and 15. Next, we initialize the instance. And afterwards, we let relay 1 to relay 6 all off. In our board, high is off. Okay, now we set the time. If the RTC is 2024 and the month is 5, day is 31, and the hour is 9, minute is 1, second is 0, turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1. This means when the time is 2024, month is 5 and day is 31, hour is 9 and minute is 1, second is 0, it will turn on relay 1 and 1 second later turn off relay 1. Now we begin to download the code. We can see the relay 1 is on and off. Okay, this is all the code of RTC. Thanks for watching.